Thanks for joining the Discovery Center as we discover at home.
Welcome to the Discovery Center. I'm Jen, and we're at our satellite location, and we're going to do some science at home.
Alright, so today we're going to be doing an experiment with vinegar and baking soda. You will need a couple of cups. Sizes don't really matter. A balloon, a bottle, a Ziploc bag, and some sort of container to go in the Ziploc bag. So we're going to do 3 experiments with the chemical reaction that happens with distilled vinegar and baking soda. So the first one that we're going to do is I have about a tablespoon of vinegar or a tablespoon of baking soda to pour into the vinegar, and we're going to see this little volcano that we can create. Now remember, these experiments do get messy, but science is messy and messy is fun. So the second thing that we'll do is we have this balloon, and I've put about a tablespoon of baking soda inside of the balloon and about half a cup of vinegar inside the bottle. Whenever you put the balloon on top of this bottle and then dump that vinegar inside, it begins to expand. You've got that chemical reaction that's releasing the gas inside of the balloon. All right, so we've got these different states of matter here that when you combine them, they form something completely new. That's what a chemical reaction is. Now this is one of my favorite things to do. So this one you have to be a little bit more careful with to, like, as you set it up, you're gonna put the vinegar inside this Ziploc bag. Be careful not to spill it if you can. And then zip it up. Make sure it's really closed off. And then you mix it together and you start shaking it up. And then once it gets really, really big, it leaked. It's gonna expand and get really tight. It might even pop on you if there's no holes in the Ziploc bag. Sadly, this one's got holes. So see what you can do, experiment with these, and tag us in your videos.
Thanks to our partners at Sonic Drive-In Amarillo for sponsoring these social distancing science videos for you all at home. To help families enjoy a meal together, Sonic Wacky Pack Kids meals are now $1.99 all day, every day. Thanks, Sonic Drive-In, and remember to continue supporting your local Amarillo businesses.